Hi, I'm Anthony Robinson. I'm a tech in the classic department at Godin Porsche. I'm a first generation Cayenne owner. It's a 2005 S model. I've had this car for about 10 years, but recently I've been interested in installing a newer radio, which is a Porsche Classic Communications Management System stereo. It's a PCCM stereo that has all the features, Bluetooth and everything you need and want. So I'm really excited about that, and we'll be showing you how to install that.